Good afternoon, ngayon po ay July 22, 2026 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 22, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, July 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 22, 2026, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, July 22, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of July 22, 2026, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.